In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 websites that you can use to earn money online. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 websites that you can use to earn money online. By the way, guys, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description. Please make sure you check it after you watch the entire video. So something really important, guys, is that I'm going to be sharing with you the website. And I'm going to be sharing with you the way in which you're going to be using the website to earn money online. Okay, there are going to be different methods. Choose one. Yes, I have to be honest with you. You can combine them, but please make sure that you're going to be choosing one, stick to it, and after that, go with another one, okay? The key here is to be consistent. Most of people are suffering from the shiny object syndrome. They're jumping from thing to thing to thing because right nowadays there's so many opportunities in order to earn money online. But try to be consistent, okay? So you can get results. You already took the first step, which is watching the entire video. Okay, now let me share with you the very first website that I'm going to be talking about, which is the Amazon Handmade. Yeah, I know that we already know about Amazon. Amazon.com is super popular. A lot of traffic, a lot of people who are watching and checking that website, making purchases and all the stuff. But here on Amazon Handmade, this is similar to Etsy. Okay, if you're already familiar with Etsy.com, it's pretty similar to Etsy. Okay, here on the Handmade, you're gonna find things that are more custom, you know, super detailed. Okay, and here you're gonna find, for example, we have here home decor, beauty and grooming, kitchen and dining. Okay, and you're gonna see here, for example, we have the wedding cake topper. Okay, we have the wedding invitations here. Okay, so it's similar to Etsy. So if you're already using Etsy, okay, you are gonna have the opportunity to list your products here on the Amazon Handmade. Okay, and again, one advantage is that a lot of people are looking for products to buy here on Amazon. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay. Over 200,000 results so far. You see here earrings. Um, okay. So a lot of there's a gigantic opportunity for you guys to take advantage here of the Amazon Handmade. Another website that you can use, I'm pretty sure that you already hear about it. It's called Fiverr. You're going to go to fiverr.com and all the gigs start for $5. Nowadays, things evolve. And as you can see, for example, here, um, we have products that you are going to actually get paid over $5. Okay. Depending on what you're offering, you're going to have that opportunity. Me, myself, I have used Fiverr before in order to hire freelancers for specific gigs. For example, if you have graphic design skills, you can create logo, you can do an illustration, you can create flyer, posters, backgrounds, 3D animation, do things with social media. If you have some programming skills, you can do websites, landing pages. You can code using AI nowadays. That's actually huge. You can create an app. You can do things with digital marketing, video animation, translation. If you already speak more than one language, if you love writing, you can also create ebooks. Like, so you can notice a lot of things, a lot of opportunities. You can be offering your BA services and all this stuff. So a lot of opportunities for those who really want to take advantage nowadays. You're going to see that here they have the AI services. Okay. Because actually this is huge. So there is literally no excuses if you are willing, and this is not passive income. So I have to be honest with it. But if you need money, Okay. There are people out there who are actually looking, for your service. So Fiverr is a great option, and it's a reliable website. Okay. There is another website that's called Text Broker. Text Broker is for those who love writing. Okay. If writing is your talent, a text broker, it's definitely an alternative for you guys to earn while you write some content. Okay. Here it says, do you write content? If writing your passion, text broker is the right place for you since 2005. Text broker is the leading provider of unique custom content. Okay. Why text broker? Because it's free. You don't need to pay anything in order to join. It's flexible. You can manage your own time. Okay. Uh, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or you're an experienced professional, you might be a good fit to write content for them. Okay, Text Broker offering several payment methods. Okay, they have writing resources if this is something new for you. So you're gonna click here where it says free auto registration, and you are gonna have the opportunity to join for Text Broker. This is as a freelance base, okay? This is not a full-time job. This is a freelance base. And one cool thing about Text Broker is the fact that they do have the website in different languages, okay? So you can go that route. It's definitely what you want. If you are looking for other opportunities in which you can actually work from home, as a freelancer, you can go to Upwork. Okay. You're going to go to Upwork, freelancer.com. I'm going to be showing you more about Upwork. Okay. Here, you're going to be able to find a work. Here, you're going to see the ways in which you can actually earn. Okay. Remember that this is based on freelancers. Okay. Literally, you're going to offer what you like. Okay. You're literally going to offer what you like. You can create your profile, search for a job, submit a proposal, get a contract, complete the work, and get paid. Okay. It's actually free for you guys to join. So, and this is a website that has been around since 2020. Well, not since 2020, a little bit longer, to be honest. Okay. So you can go, and this is one thing that I like. You can actually decide that you can get paid per hour or a fixed price. Okay, you can go that route. There are different things that you can actually offer. Okay, so here's some examples like develop an IT, sales and marketing, designs, finance. But you see here you have translation. Okay, you can be a BA, you can, okay, so there is a lot of opportunities here on Upwork.com. Okay, the same with freelancer. You can go to freelancer.com and you're gonna have the opportunity there. So definitely it's a great place. I have used it in the past. Another great place, it's definitely YouTube. Right now, you are on YouTube. You're watching this video because you are interested in in getting some information, right? So a lot of people are doing that. For example, I already typed here camera review, okay? And you're going to see here that we have this review. It's Sigma BF, the review, the most beautiful camera, okay? And this guy, it's actually doing a review about this camera. And guess what? They can put in special link, okay? So they can start promoting not only this camera, but any other article. Because if someone is looking for a review, is looking for an opinion, is looking for a testimonial, it's because they are buyer intent. Okay. They want to know, is the camera is a right fit or is there any other alternative? Okay. For example, we have this other camera here, the only camera you ever need. Okay. The top 5 cameras for every budget. Okay. Best pick for 2025. Okay. This it's not only talking about a specific camera, but different cameras. And you can promote more than one camera because remember that people are looking for information. People are looking for a solution. Okay. So they have, if they are looking for this type of information is because they're buyer intent. Okay. And if you share your special link, people are going to make the purchase. Yes, you can actually earn money with being a YouTube, being part of the YouTube partner program. That's also a plus, but remember that there are more opportunities here with YouTube. And that's the reason why I want to share with you. Okay. Also, you can be part of the Amazon Associate Program. Okay, this is something that we call affiliate marketing. By the way, guys, if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Right now, um, I think by the time I submit this video, I'm going to be sharing a guide. Okay, so you can actually read and learn more about how affiliate marketing works and all this stuff. Okay. So here in Amazon Associates, that's the reason why here on the top, I have what it's called the influencer and associates side stripe, this one. As you can see here, I have something that says get link because I can promote products on Amazon. Okay. Right now I'm on the Amazon Best Sellers and I can decide like, hey, I'm going to go and I'm going to promote this pillow. Okay. Or I'm going to go and I'm going to go and I'm going to promote, I don't know, this book because I really like it. I really enjoy it. Okay. So I have tons of opportunities here with Amazon in order to promote physical products. And one cool thing about Amazon is the fact that, okay, if someone click on my link, it's not mandatory for them to purchase the product that I recommend. If they purchase another product, okay, if they purchase another product with my link, I'm going to be getting a commission for that. It's like a 24-hour window, something like that. But because these are physical products, and there is shipping involved, manufacture, and all this stuff, the commissions are not pretty high, are usually between 1 to 3%. So that's why I have another website in which you can promote digital products. With digital products, you're going to have the opportunity to earn way higher commission. And this one, it's called ClickBank. Here on clickbank.com, you can join for free as an affiliate. Okay. And you're going to have a lot of products that you can promote. Yes, they do have physical products, but they also have digital products. Okay. If for some reason you cannot use ClickBank, don't worry. There are other options. You can use JVZoo, Wire Plus, Commission Junction, ShareASale. Okay. There are tons of ClickBank alternatives. You can actually go to Google and type ClickBank alternative, and you're going to have the opportunity to check this. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and keep the notification bell. And remember, if you want to learn more about my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first thing in the description. Okay. So another website that you can use is Pinterest. Okay. Pinterest, I don't know, for some reason it's super underrated. And for a lot of people, it's not even on the radar, but you can actually earn a lot of money with Pinterest. Okay. For example, previously, I was promoting a woodworking product that I got from ClickBank. Okay, so I was an affiliate for the product. And I was promoting here on Pinterest, literally sharing a pen. People are going to check the information. And there is a research that a lot of people who visit Pinterest, they are, they have this buyer intent. Okay. I'm not 100% sure if I say it properly, but they do have the willingness to make a purchase. They do have the willingness to buy the product that they're actually checking. So people are missing a huge opportunity with Pinterest because it's a social network, but it's also a search engine. Okay. The top 3 search engines right now are Google, YouTube, and Pinterest. So you can see it's in the top 3. So a lot of opportunities, people are missing it because they are not using or they don't understand Pinterest. Okay, I really don't, don't know 100%, why, but Pinterest is a huge opportunity. Also, you can use Udemy. In Udemy, you can upload your knowledge. You can put it in a package, in a course, and you can sell it. The cool thing about Udemy is the fact that they take care of everything. They took the payments, they do the marketing. If they do have affiliates, they take care of the affiliates and everything. So literally you upload what you know. Okay, there is a lot of things that you can actually promote. And you don't have to create like a huge um, course. Okay. But literally you can share everything that you know. But if they're running a promotion and special, there's something on sale. I'm not 100% sure how it says on the terms and condition, but they can put your course on that at a discounted price. But, they take care of a lot of the things. So that's a reason why I recommend it. I used Udemy in the past. I used to have courses here. You go here where it says teach on Udemy, okay? And you're going to be following that route. If you're like, yeah, but I don't know how to do this kind of images, they have um, a service and they don't charge you for that. In literally, which you can put like a description of what you want. And nowadays you can even do it with AI and they're going to be doing the design for you. Okay. But if you want to have more control about your knowledge about your course, you can go to Teachable. Okay. This is not a free platform, but here in Teachable, you can upload your course. Okay. Here in Teachable, you can actually upload your course and you're going to have the opportunity to take control of it. Okay. I'm going to be giving you even a bonus site, which I think is actually amazing. It's this one. It's called System.io. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can actually take a look. So you can see, I literally just click it here. The thing that I like about System.io, and by the way, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description so you can open an account. You can open an account that is lifetime access for free. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the link below so you can actually have it. And there are a lot of things that you can do here. This is a funnel builder. This is the email marketing tool. You can also host your courses. That's the reason why it's replaced Kajabi, ClickFunnels, Cartwheel, Lead Pages, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and all this stuff, because there's a lot of things. You can also actually have your blog. You can manage affiliates. Okay. And here's the thing. You can create your course. As you can see, you can replace Teachable. Okay. So literally you can start with this tool and you're going to have all the tools that you need in order to earn. Okay. So as you can see, you're at least saving over $300. So if you want to open a free account, I'm going to be leaving a link below with so you can open your free account here in System.io and you're going to have the all-in-one marketing solution for free. Okay. So again, guys, I hope you enjoy this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys in the next video.